Let's fill out the Maine dog bill of sale together so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling a dog in your state, here's what you need to know. First, as the seller, you are required to deliver a written disclosure to the buyer. This disclosure must include a statement, signed by you, about the dog's health at the time of delivery. Either you confirm the dog has no known health problems, or you clearly disclose any health problems that do exist. Before the sale is finalized, you also need to orally go over all of that medical information with the buyer. Not just hand them a paper. Actually say it out loud. On top of that, you must provide the buyer with a written notice of rights, and you need to sign it yourself, certifying that everything in it is accurate. If your location is open to the public, you are required to post a notice in a prominent spot where buyers can see it. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.